I'm in for 2,000 more. And I'll raise you 10,000.
Okay, that's it. 10. And I raise you 20.
I'll see your 20. And I'll raise you 15.
You really are that much.
Well, we'll just have to see now, won't we?
Your call.
Flash, Jack.
Pair of deuces. Oops. And we 3 kings.
You piece of dog shit.
You're right. Really should have run into you a long time ago.
You wouldn't be cheating now, would you, Jack?
That's $100,000. And you have lost $250,000. Now, how are you going to pay that back?
Life's a bitch and there's you, huh, Jack? Get that shit away from me. Time to dip into the Geraldine Dolly Memorial Drug Fund.
Oh, you're just a slow-motion suicide. If you want to kill yourself, why don't you just get it over with instead of waiting for somebody else to do it?
You think I don't know how I got here, Jack?
Well, you don't look like a junkie.
Now, what do I look like, Jack? Mr. Everything Comes Easy? Mr. Football Star? Mr. Class President? You can look like a prince and still be white trash.
You make me sick.
You got a problem with me, Jack?
You got the problem, kiddo.
Have another drink, Jack. How many cc's of that nitro you do every day anyway, huh? 100? 200? You think I'm the stupid one, Jack?
With that needle in your arm, I don't think you know a goddamn thing.
I lived in places you wouldn't shit in, Jack. I've done time with men who'd off themselves and the whole world with them like they're doing everybody a favor. And you know what I know, Jack? What I know from that? Man is just a thing. He eats, he sleeps, he fucks, and all the rest is just passing time. Now, how much of those things he does depends on how big that hole is inside him. You know the hole I'm talking about, Jack? That one. It rips open inside everyone when they suck in their first screaming breath. It's why babies scream, Jack. We think it's a demon inside us. The great white whale, the prince of darkness. But it's not, Jack. It's just a big, empty hole. I see men try to fill it with women, with other men, with the good book, thank you, Jesus, with money, power, and everything you can think of on the planet. And you know what finally separates the men from the boys? Jackie boy? The wisdom, the knowledge of the ages. You know what it is, Jack? That hole, it can't be filled. We pretend because no one's got the balls to live with the truth. The truth being that inside that hole, Jack, is what we really are. Nothingness. Just a need, Jack. The truth that we ain't any more noble than we are knowable. And every dark place in us, every rabid fucking impulse we have is just the nature of the beast. And if If you can live with that, do it. I'll sit back, have another shot, and let me do the same.
Lesson in life. Just for you, kiddo. The monkey doesn't shit where the crocodile sleeps. You're the one with the deal in his arm looking for a new daddy, right? What's he supposed to come along and do? Finish what the first one started. Well, here he is. Father knows best. Goes by many names. Crank. Crack. Croak. I bet you there's not even a name for this. But you can think of one. Your last trip to Never Never Land. Maybe by rights you should end up in little pieces. Maybe that's all you really want. I don't know. I'm not a shrink. But this is exactly how you should go out. Don't you think? You can make this as messy as you want, but if I were you, I'd hold still. It's just a shot, little boy. In a second, you won't feel a thing.
Please don't kill me, Jack. Please don't kill me, Jack.
Off to see the wizard.